Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Nintendo Switch box to record videos. So all you'll need is like to unfold your Nintendo Switch box in like this type of way. And then you just want to detach your Joy-Cons. Hold on, I'm going to quickly detach this one. And then attach it onto like this controller that you get with your Nintendo Switch. And then you want to place your Nintendo Switch right there in the box. You can put in the corners if you want. And then grab game cases. Any type of game case will work, like PlayStation 2, Nintendo Switch. And then you want to place them right there. And you want to place your phone right be in front of them like that. And then like align it. There we go. And you might say, oh, but we can still see the edges. And all you need to fix that problem is complete utter darkness. And boom, they're gone. No more edge problems. Let me crank really quick. This is like my Death Run map. Probably gonna make a 1v1 map soon. I haven't posted any of these anywhere though. And also about this weird controller thing. I'm not used to using this. At the beginning, when I got my Nintendo Switch and I downloaded Fortnite, I was using this all the time because I thought it was the best thing to use, but to me, it's not. I like using the Nintendo Switch, like it attached to the Nintendo Switch. I don't know if that's just me or not. My editing sucks with this weird controller thing. Let me show you guys my settings really quick. Whenever I have the controller attached. So 20 building, 15 edit, and there is my sensitivities. Linear is the best. And quick tip, you should probably always have your look dead zone at the lowest possible, because you don't need to put the lowest input into it. My sister's angry right now. She's yelling. Well, I think that's pretty much the video. So, yeah.